Good morning everybody. I am Dr. Sonia Tiwari from the Department of Community Medicine, Arvindo Medical College, Indore. So today we are starting with another part of spotters related to vaccines. Classes, we have covered all the vaccines which belong to the national immunization schedule. So without any delay, let's start with our class. The first spot or first vaccine which we are going to cover today is the measles vaccine. Okay, first we are seeing the identification feature. As you can see here, the vaccine is available in the dark glass bottles to protect it from sunlight, but the size of the bottle is longer than the BCG vial. Then age of immunization, as we all have seen in the immunization schedule, it is 9 months. The diluent is the distilled water. Dose is 0.5 ml. Route of administration is subcutaneous. Site of injection is the right upper arm, and type of vaccine is a live attenuated vaccine. I hope these questions are clear because these are enough for the measles vaccine. Okay, dark color bottle, 9 months, diluent distilled water, 0.5 ml, subcutaneous, right upper arm, and live attenuated vaccine. Now, whether part of national immunization schedule? So yes, schedule at completion of 9 months of age. During an epidemic, it can be given at 6 months of age also, but not to be counted and should be repeated at the usual age of 9 months. Side effects, if you can see here, fever and rash, this we all know. It may occur after 5 to 7 days of vaccination and last for 1 to 3 days. Contraindications, if you see, immunocompromised states, okay, because it is a live vaccine. Severe anaphylactic egg allergy, the vaccine manufactured from cells derived from eggs, and pregnancy. Protective efficacy and duration, efficacy is almost 95 to 100% and may last lifelong. Storage of vaccine can be stored for a long term. Example, at PSC at -15 to -20 degrees centigrade in the deep freezer. Vaccine may be stored between 2 to 8 degrees for a few weeks at the place of use, such as the subcenter. Diluent should be stored at +2 to +8 degrees centigrade, and the reconstituted vaccine should be kept on ice and used within an hour. Then why should the reconstituted measles vaccine not used after 4 hours of opening? So vaccine after reconstitution is vulnerable to contamination and it can lead to toxic shock syndrome. The vaccine is vulnerable to contamination as there is no preservative added to this live vaccine. Now, what is the post-exposure prophylaxis? The vaccine may be given within 3 days of contact, 72 hours in previously unvaccinated children. More than 9 to 12 months, the immunity develops 10 to 12 days after vaccination. Okay, so I hope these points are clear to you. Now, coming to vaccine vial monitor. As you can see here, circle is there, then the square is there, okay, inside the circle, which is of white color. If it becomes grayish color or matches the color of circle, or if the square becomes black color, so this condition you don't have to use the vaccine. This is the vaccine vial monitor, or it is also known as the VVM, and very often it is asked in the Viva Voce or the MCQs. Now, what is the vaccine vial monitor? VVM is a small label stuck on the vial of a vaccine which changes the color as the vaccine vial is exposed to heat. Color of VVM central square indicates if the vaccine is safe for use or not. It is a small light purple circle with a white square in the center. Square remains white if there is no exposure to heat. With heat exposure, square begins to darken. Till the time for which the center square is lighter than the surrounding circle, vaccine is safe for use. As soon as the square becomes same color of the background or darker, it is damaged by the heat and then it should be discarded. Okay. Last question, why is it important to use vaccine vial monitors? It is important to use the VVMs because they help the health workers determine whether the vaccines have been spoiled by exposure to too much heat. By discarding the vaccine vials which are at risk of becoming impotent, we can be sure that the immunization will be Effective. VVM was first used with the OPV, but it is now being used for other vaccines like measles and hepatitis B. So this is also the question. सबसे पहले OPV के लिए ही VVM यूज़ किया गया था, पर अब measles और hepatitis B के लिए भी यूज़ किया जा रहा है. Here is the picture. Again you can see square is of lighter color, background is of another color. If the square becomes same as the background or if it becomes darker, then the vaccine is exposed to heat and it should not be used. I hope I am clear with it. Starting with another vaccine, that is measles, mumps and rubella vaccine. Dark bottle similar to that of measles. Indian MMR has the label printed in red letters as against black ink on the measles vaccine. Type is live. Type of antigen, live attenuated virus of measles, mumps and rubella. If you talk about the diluent, it is the distilled water. Okay. Route of administration is again subcutaneous. Dose is 0.5 ml. Whether part of NIS? Yes, it is also a part of NIS. Schedule, it is given in 16 to 24 months. 9 months you give the measles subcutaneously, and 16 to 24 months along with the booster of DPT you give this, that also subcutaneous. Right upper arm, side effects, mild rash, okay, fever between 6 and 14 days, rarely parotid and other salivary glands enlargement. Then if you see to the contraindications, it includes pregnancy, leukemia, lymphotosis, severe febrile diseases, corticosteroid therapy or hypersensitivity to egg protein. These are the contraindications where you do not have to use the vaccine. Coming to the storage part, long-term storage at PSC is same, minus 15 to minus 20 degrees centigrade in the deep freezer. Vaccine may be stored between 2 to 8 degrees for few weeks at the place of use such as the subcenter. Diluent should be stored at plus 2 to plus 8 degrees centigrade, and reconstituted vaccine should be kept on ice and used within an hour. Protective efficacy and duration is 95%. Why is MMR contraindicated in pregnant women? There is risk of fetus developing congenital rubella syndrome. Okay? In fact, a woman must be counseled to avoid pregnancy for 28 days after vaccination with the rubella. Strain of individual viruses used: Edmonton Jagreb strain of measles virus, L. Jagreb strain of mumps virus, and Wistar RA27/3 strain of rubella virus. So if the strains are asked of measles vaccine, you have to write Edmonton Jagreb. If MMR का पूछा है तो तीनों लिखना पड़ेगा. L. Jagreb strain, then Wistar RA27/3. Okay. Then what is the most serious complication of rubella infection? Congenital rubella syndrome, which may occur in the newborn if the pregnant woman gets complication. Then coming to the third vaccine for today, that is the hepatitis B. Identification: name may not be concealed as there is no special feature of the packaging. Killed vaccine, recombinant type. Route is intramuscular. Dose is 0.5 ml till 10 years, and adult dose is 1 ml. We all know this. Then whether the part of NIS? Yes. Schedule: first dose is given at birth or within 24 hours of birth. Second, third and fourth dose at 6, 10, 14. As we have seen, dose 1, dose 2, dose 3. 3 doses are given along the primary dose of DPT and OPV so that no extra visits are required. Use separate syringes for the administration of DPT and hepatitis B and in different sites, because both are IM. ठीक है, दोनों hepatitis और DPT IM ही लगते हैं. ठीक है, फिर 6, 10, 14 पे लगते हैं, तो सिरिंज अलग यूज़ करना है, साइट अलग यूज़ करना है. Site is anterolateral thigh in the neonates and infants, deltoid regions in the adult and children. Then indications other than routine immunization. Okay. Who all will receive the hepatitis B vaccine apart from the routine? ये तो बहुत important है. तो healthcare workers or personal, patient receiving frequent blood products, personnel and residents of the institutions, person with high risk sexual behavior, injectable drug users, traveler to areas with endemic to hepatitis B, infant born to mother who are hepatitis B carriers, persons originating from high HBV endemic areas, police personnel, fire brigade personnel, armed force, and anybody who through their work or personal lifestyle may be exposed to hepatitis B, household contacts of any of the above group, and of the patients with acute or chronic hepatitis B infection. Okay, these I think we all know who all should take hepatitis B. Schedule for adults, if you see, the rapid schedule with immunization at 0, 1 and 2 month will provide quicker protection. Longer schedule of 0, 1 and 6 results in higher antibody titer. दो प्रकार के हैं, एक 0-1 मंथ 0 डोज 1 मंथ के बाद फिर 2 महीने के बाद, और एक होता है 0 आज दे दिया फिर 1 महीने बाद और 6 महीने बाद। डाइल्यूएंट कुछ भी नहीं है। साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स में सोरनेस, इरिथमा, इंड्यूरेशन, फटीक, फीवर, मलायस, इन्फ्लुएंजा लाइक सिम्टम्स, ठीक है। लेस कॉमन सिस्टमिक रिएक्शंस इंक्लूड नोसिया, वॉमिटिंग, डायरिया, एब्डोमिनल पेन, एबनॉर्मल लीवर फंक्शन टेस्ट, आर्थैल्जिया, माइल्जिया, रैश, प्लूराइटिस, अर्टिकेरिया एंड लिवर फंक्शन। Contraindication: known hypersensitivity to any component of the vaccine or subjects having shown signs of hypersensitivity after previous hepatitis B vaccine administration. Neither pregnancy nor lactation are contraindications to hepatitis B vaccination if otherwise indicated. Storage: hepatitis B vaccine should be stored between +2 to +8 degrees centigrade, never to be frozen. Discard the vaccine if frozen. Protective efficacy 98 to 99% and protective duration long term, perhaps lifelong. ठीक है, तो अडल्ट का इसमें याद रखना है शेड्यूल 0-1-2 वाला, 0-1-6 वाला, ठीक है। फिर बच्चों में तो 6-10-14 वीक्स है। फिर कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन, साइड इफेक्ट, स्टोरेज, दैट्स ऑल। देन Japanese encephalitis. Currently there are 3 types of Japanese encephalitis vaccine: mouse brain derived inactivated kill vaccine, cell culture derived inactivated kill vaccine, and cell culture derived live attenuated vaccine using SA14-14-2 strain of Japanese encephalitis. Attempts are going to develop newer types of JE vaccines such as the DNA vaccines. Under the national program, the live SA14-14-2 cell culture derived vaccine is used in India. It is presently manufactured in PR China. It is imported from there for use in India. Then identification feature: till present the live vaccine is imported from PR China, so the label is in Mandarin. Soon India may start to manufacture it indigenously. Type is live. Route is subcutaneous like the measles. Dose is 0.5 ml. Site is left upper arm. Then whether part of Indian national immunization schedule. So included in the immunization schedule of selected districts of Indian state which are endemic for the JE. Schedule, if you talk about, single dose between 16 to 24 months given along with DPT OPV booster, और यहीं पे MMR भी देते हैं हम. Also as separately supplementary immunization activity, SIA activity होती है, that is supplement immunization activity campaigns in the endemic area. कब देंगे? Children up to 15 years को देंगे वहाँ पे. And if the child already received a dose previously as a part of RI, no further dose is given. Okay, then coming to the next, diluent is distilled water. Strain हमने देख लिया, SA14-14-2 strain. Side effects: transient fever, rash, irritability, local reaction. Contraindication: person with the fever or malnutrition, acute infectious disease, tympanitis, active untreated tuberculosis, cardiac, liver and kidney problems, pregnancy, allergy and convulsions, person treated with any immunosuppressive therapy, person with a proven or suspected hypersensitivity to kanamycin or gentamicin. Last but not the least is person with a history of immunization with any other live attenuated vaccine within 1 month. Then this will not be given. Storage is +2 to +8 degrees centigrade. Reconstitute only 1 vial of JE at one time and use the vaccine within 2 hours of reconstitution. Protect from the sunlight. Diluents to be stored at +2 to +8 degrees centigrade. Protective efficacy is 98 to 99%. Protective duration is lifelong. Which strategy is being used for improving coverage with JE vaccine? Since 2006, in 104 districts which are endemic for JE, special campaign वही SIA has been started to cover all 1 to 15 years old with a single dose of JE vaccine. Special immunization activity बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे जैपनीज़ एनकेफेलाइटिस एंडेमिक है वहाँ 15 साल तक के सभी लोगों को, बच्चों को ये लगाया जाता है एक डोज. In addition, single dose at 16 to 24 months have been included in the RI in these districts. If a child 16 to 24 months of age has been immunized with JE during SIA, then there is no need for repeat dose in the RI as a single dose is recommended at present. Then vector of Japanese encephalitis, so female Culex mosquito होता है, Anopheles से मलेरिया होता है फीमेल, और फीमेल Culex से Japanese encephalitis होता है. Name 4 Indian states which have districts endemic for Japanese encephalitis. UP, Assam, West Bengal and Karnataka. So I hope I am clear up till here.